This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Marina Sozina. Solid affordable 3-bedroom 1.5 bathroom house in Punta Gorda, Florida. This great home is offering a spacious living room, split floor plan, good size lanai and backyard. It has been freshly painted, most bigger items have been taken care of, roof is December 2022, air conditioner is December 2020. Little TLC could make it pop. The location is great, short distance to Punta Gorda Airport, Fisherman Village, downtown Punta Gorda, Sunseeker Resort, etc. Come see it and make it your home sweet home in tropical paradise of Southwest Florida. For more information, review the details below or contact Marina Sozina at 239-482-5700.